Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the MCQs of Class 7 Science Chapter 12 Earth, Moon and the Sun. All the MCQs cover the important concepts and are exam focused. Try to attempt the MCQs and do not forget to comment down your score. Let's start. The first question says, why does the sun appear to move from east to west across the sky? We know that the sun appears to move from east to west because the earth rotates on its axis. So the correct answer is B. Next question. The earth completes one rotation on its axis in approximately, the answer is 24 hours. Next question. In which direction does the earth rotate when viewed from the North Pole? So when we view it from the North Pole, the earth rotates in anti-clockwise direction. The answer is C. Next question. The imaginary line around which the earth rotates is called its axis of rotation. Next question. Which phenomena is directly caused by the earth's rotation? We know that the earth's rotation causes day and night. Answer is B. Next question. When a particular location on the earth moves into the illuminated region, that means the lighted region, it experiences what? It experiences sunrise. The correct answer is C. Next question. Which statement is correct? The side of the earth facing away from the sun experiences day. No, this is wrong. The entire earth experiences day simultaneously. No. The side facing the sun experiences daytime. The correct answer is C. Next question. The sun appears to rise in the east. Next question. The moon appears to rise in the east and set in the west mainly because the earth rotates from the west to east. Next question. The pole star appears nearly stationary because it is very close to the earth's axis. The answer is C. Next question. The apparent motion of stars in the night sky is mainly due to rotation of earth. Next question. What is meant by revolution? Motion of an object around another object. The path followed by earth while revolving around the sun is called its orbit. Next question. The earth completes one revolution around the sun in approximately 365 days and 6 hours. Next question. Why do different stars appear in the night sky during different months? Now I am talking about the change in the position of stars across the year. So what is responsible? That the earth revolves around the sun. Next question. Seasons on earth occur mainly because of the tilt of the earth's axis and its spherical shape. Next question. Earth's axis of rotation is tilted with respect to its orbit. Next question. In June, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun because they experience what? Summer. Next question. In June, the northern hemisphere generally experiences summer. Next question. What happens in the northern hemisphere in December? It experiences winter. Next question. Which statement about seasons is incorrect? So the incorrect statement is seasons occur because earth is much closer to the sun in summer. No, this is not the reason for the cause of seasons. We have already discussed that the tilt of the earth and the spherical shape and the movement around the sun is responsible for seasons. Next question. The longest day in the northern hemisphere occurs around, it is 21st June, which is summer solstice. Next question. The shortest day in the northern hemisphere occurs around 22nd December, which is winter solstice. Next, around 21st March and 23rd September, daytime lasts approximately 12 hours. We know that these two are equinoxes, when days and nights are of equal duration. Which season does the southern hemisphere experience in June? We know in northern hemisphere in June we have summers, so southern hemisphere has winters. Next question. A solar eclipse occurs when? So the answer is B, when moon comes between sun and earth. Why can the moon completely cover the sun during a solar eclipse despite being much smaller? So the correct answer is the moon is much closer to the earth. Since it is much closer, so it can completely block the sun. Next question. The apparent size of an object depends on, just now we discussed, the apparent size depends on its physical size and also distance from the observer. Next question, which celestial body can completely block the sun's light during a solar eclipse? The answer is moon. Next question, when no part of the sun can be seen from an area covered by the moon's shadow, it is a total solar eclipse. Next question, a partial solar eclipse occurs when only some part of the sun is blocked. Answer is B. Why is a total solar eclipse visible only for a few minutes from a particular place? Because the moon's shadow moves across the earth. Due to the earth's rotation and the moon's orbital motion, the moon's shadow moves across the earth's surface. So after a few minutes, it is gone in the other direction. Next question, what is the safest way to observe a solar eclipse? So the safest way to look at a solar eclipse is using specialized solar viewing protection under proper guidance. Next question, which of the following should not be used to directly view the sun during a solar eclipse? We should not use ordinary sun glasses as it can permanently damage our eyesight. Next question, a lunar eclipse occurs when? We know a lunar eclipse occurs when earth comes between sun and moon. Next question, during a total lunar eclipse, the moon may appear, we know it appears dark red. Next question, which eclipse can be safely viewed with the naked eyes? That is lunar eclipse. We can see it with our normal eyes. We don't need any kind of devices. Next question, which sequence correctly represents a solar eclipse? It is a solar eclipse, so moon will block the light. The answer is C. Which sequence correctly represents a lunar eclipse? In lunar eclipse, earth blocks the light from the sun. So the correct answer is B. Next question, which pair is correctly matched? The rotation causes seasons? No. Revolution causes day and night? No. The rotation causes day and night. This is correct. This is all from my side. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. And for more such videos, stay tuned to the Curious Lab where you ask, explore and discover. Thank you.